everyone. My name is Dave Karlekar. I hope you all are doing good. Tuesday, beautiful morning. I welcome you on behalf of Guru Schools to another introductory session. Today's topic for the next 1 hour or so we're going to discuss is Salesforce administration and business analysis. As I said, this is an introductory overview session. You will get a glimpse of what this course is going to be about. Along with that, why Salesforce. Okay. This is by far one of our top 3 popular technology training track. And a simple answer is for this success is very high in demand. It's largely popular because it's been consumed by every single Fortune 5000 US client. Customer is the king. They use for customer delight one or the other kind of an CRM, and Salesforce is the big daddy in that entire ecosystem. Okay. Also, Salesforce administration does not require any programming knowledge. If you have it, great. Otherwise, you don't need anything. You can just understand, speak English, have simple common sense, can talk to people. You're done. You're up and ready. So the prerequisite is, ideally, if you have background in customer service, in sales, in marketing, right? Maybe networking, help desk. If you're a small business owner, who understand how to engage the customer, who understands the importance of customer relationships and all, which I guess we all do have it inherently. Otherwise, as I said, nobody learns in mother's womb. It requires an open mind, willingness to learn, fire in the belly, and you will make a 6-figure salary. Now, let me give you a backdrop of Guru Schools. As the name suggests, it's a modern marketplace in the form of ancient Gurukul or an ashram, where we go to get the proper education and become a fine man or a woman. We strongly believe education is one strength that once it comes to you, it stays with you forever. And it has a feature that it grows multifold by sharing. What we do at Guru Schools? Well, we bring world-class information technology education to the ambitious people such as yours, giving you a good blend of theoretical and practical project experience. For many of you who may be lateral or experienced working professionals working on some old or dated technologies or platform, it's a good way of upskilling yourself, which is, learning new things, unlearning old and dated things, and relearning things which are important to us, to these emerging technologies, because they have become the need of the hour. The technology landscape is always ever changing. Okay. Because this helps you to shape your career and to be on the right side of the equation. Okay. At Guru Schools, we are unique. We are known for our 6 pillars, where most of the companies you must have encountered and have dealt with in the past, they are more involved in robbing you of your hard-earned money, throwing some videos, some training, and they're gone missing in action. And you will see Guru Schools and few companies, they are really engaging towards not only mere training, but to complete career employment focused job placement offering. So what are we doing here? We are shaping your career. We are building your IT employment job profession. So that's the key. Now let's talk about 6 pillars. Okay, or the 6 standalone offering we have as a part of Guru Schools ecosystem. Okay. The first pillar is about 6 weeks of training. It's theory and practical. Why? We have many projects going on, so you teed in to the practical projects as and when they come in. Okay, so it's not mere throwing some videos or you learn on your own like that. There are thousands of videos on YouTube, that easy, anyone could have done it. So that 6 to 8 weeks, sometimes it takes more, depending upon how engaging the students are. But on an average, about 6 weeks of training, that gives you a good overview as to what this course or the topic is all about. If you have 75% attendance and a satisfactory performance as a student ratio, then you are awarded a course completion certificate. So Salesforce Administration and Business Analysis, that's the certificate you will get on behalf of Guru Schools. Very important, something you can write in your resume, on your LinkedIn profile, because dikhta hai wo bikta hai. People will believe in what you show them. That's the second pillar. It's an achievement. The third pillar is reference ready resume preparation. One of the most important thing, because your resume must have the required domain, the required work, the required lingos, the bells and the whistles, because that's what the client and the vendors are looking for. We work with all major domains and we have projects. Some of them are SOWs, some of them are POCs, some of them are long-term outsourcing. So whether it's a banking, finance, insurance, telecom, mortgage, manufacturing, automotive, services, apparel, high-tech, healthcare, pharmaceutical life science. We have dealt with many of such projects and we try to record some of these projects while working for these clients. Now, many of this becomes as a live project for you too to teed in. And also, along with the trainers, recruiters, and the subject matter expert, they're more engaged with you to ensure your resume is properly prepared, it's been properly referenced, because you're working on our project. So, you have reference from us. And that goes a long way towards ensuring you get the right visibility. Then, next pillar is vendor interview preparation, the questions and the answers. We work with all major Indian outsourcing companies. We work with many tier 1 preferred vendors across the USA, and then we have our own clients. Primarily in healthcare, we work with large healthcare nationwide organization. We also work with many doctors and small hotel, motel, restaurant industry. So they're already aware of Guru Schools and our ecosystem. So that goes a long way towards your hiring process, because they're hiring not because of you, they're hiring because of they know Guru Schools, they know our projects, training, and the dependency they have on us. And we also know what they're looking for. So that helps us towards better preparing you for the first round of an HR/vendor questions and interview. The fifth pillar is very important. That's the D-Day, client interview. Depending on that 30 minutes, 45 minutes phone interview, the client will decide whether to hire you or not. Our trainers, our delivery team, our subject matter experts will be engaged with you, whether it's Devendra or Sheetal or Shubham or Aarti and many others. These are our technical team members. For today's call, we just got one of those few people. And they are working with you one-on-one towards doing their level best to ensure you score 10 on 10 and come out victorious with flying colors. After you're done, cleared your interview, got a placement, now the challenge starts, the job starts. And you simply cannot drop the ball, because many of you This is your first time venturing into Salesforce. So our job doesn't end in helping you get a job. Our job actually starts after getting a job to give you placement ongoing support for at least 4 to 6 months. And then practice makes you perfect, right? As I said, nobody learns in mother's womb. Most of these are going to be repetitive tasks. And once you start making $50, $60, you better should know how to survive yourself. As corporate policy, 10% of our earnings goes for various community and social causes here in the USA as well as in India. Now, apart from today's Salesforce administration training track, some of our other technology-focused practice areas where we provide training, consulting, outsourcing, in no particular order, are .NET Full Stack, Agile Scrum Master, Android and iOS development and support, Big Data Consulting, Business Analysis, Business Intelligence Visualization Reporting Tools like Tableau, Qlik, Power BI, Snowflake, Cloud DevOps Engineering, Front-End UI Design and Development, Informatica Cloud ETL Data Warehousing Development, Java Full Stack Microservices, MuleSoft Integration, Oracle NetSuite ERP, Project Management, Python Data Science, Robotics Process Automation using UiPath, Salesforce Development, which is more on the development, and Workday Human Capital Management. These are some of the training courses primarily in IT we offer, as well as consulting and support. On the non-IT side, say in pharmaceutical, healthcare, mechanical, manufacturing, engineering domain, we offer a little different courses like biostatistician, SAS clinical trial data management, validation quality management, SolidWorks 3D CAD CAM design engineering, and few other skills. Okay. Needless to say, why these skills? Because the Fortune 5000 firms in corporate America are great consumer of these skills. There's a huge demand. These are emerging skills. These are the latest and the greatest skills. And hence, our focus is more on the emerging skills because the demand is more, the supply is less, and the demand will keep growing over the next few years. Now, these technology tracks are about 6 weeks. Sometimes it takes a week or two more or less, depending upon how we run these tracks. They primarily run during weekdays, say Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. And then weekend sessions are generally practice sessions or repeat sessions. The weekday sessions are in the evening, 7 to 9, 8 to 10, 9 to 11 Eastern Time. Weekend sessions are morning, afternoon, and evening because weekend sessions are more flexible. These trainings are free for those who are looking to have a career in IT working in corporate America through us on our projects. So if you're planning to work on our projects in corporate America, it's our way of giving it back not only to the corporate America, but we are also investing in you because Jana Seva is Ishwar Seva. To help people is divine. We're also product partner for some of these product companies that helps us towards giving you ready-made reference material, so that you can prepare towards certification. Needless to say, the trainers are there and they're happy to help you, assist you towards that preparation and to ensure you get certified. Sandam Dandabhed. This certification by these product companies goes a long way towards adding value in your career. That's like a feather in your hat. Okay, clients are already covered. I mean, we've worked with over 20 universities also in their website design development. We work with all major Indian outsourcing technology companies, primarily for their staffing, consulting, full-time as well as contract. We work with various small, mid-sized clients like hotel, motel, restaurants, even the medical practitioners for their individual practice website design development, digital media. And then we work with various NGOs, large NGOs, 100 offices, 200 offices, manage their Salesforce non-for-profit, manage their website, digital marketing, promoting their events, promoting some of the Indian events. Last 1 year has been difficult because we don't have those many events, but there is an opportunity in every adversity. Many of these events now we are doing it virtual using sessions like Zoom, either webinars or recorded sessions. Now these are difficult times. COVID-19 pandemic will long be remembered in the history for decimating the global economy, for getting us in the recession. Millions of job losses. Over 500,000 people lost their life only in the USA. That's sad. And in these depressing times, in these difficult times, some of us need to rise up and give that much needed helping hand to the people. We must engage in helping people, and if possible, we must provide that helping hand to corporate America, because this helps reducing unemployment also. As I said, every adversity comes with an opportunity. So if you see the other positive side of COVID-19, all projects are remote. Many of these projects, the rates are falling. So lateral hires like us who had real-time 15, 20 years of experience, the clients are forcing us to take 10, 20, 30, 40% rate cuts because we all are working remote. What's the difference between me and somebody 8,000 miles away working remote? So why to give that premium if I'm also working remote? This also means for those who are looking to get into IT, currently making zero, anything above zero is great. So my $100 bill rate becomes 70, and for many of you who are looking for a job, your $0 becomes 50. So you have everything to win, and lateral people have to swallow that bitter bullet of rate reduction. So it's a great opportunity. Plus, nationwide, floodgates of opportunity opens up because everything is remote until the pandemic is over. And with the insurance risk and all, most of the clients are looking to engage you remotely. The corporate America have learned that remote working is also efficient, which is great. And the corporate America has also learned that with the reduced budget, they can also get qualified people. And with the help of trainer, your quality is A+, A-, which is great. With the help of Guru School 6 Pillars offering, I can assure you, each one of you will secure an opportunity working in corporate America, provided you are willing and proactive to work. We are unique. We are not here to rob people. We are not here to throw some videos and walk away. These trainings are instructor-led interactive trainings. For the next 6 weeks, you will have Devendra, and then the other trainers or backup trainers that come and go will be engaging with you, not only on the fundamentals and the project, but later on also towards resume preparation, vendor interview preparation, client interview preparation, and project support. All of you will be part of our focus groups. Many of you part of our generic group, but from there, then you will be part of the focus group. Say in Salesforce, you'll be part of the Salesforce focus group, where you, along with the trainers, along with the HR, talent acquisition, sales, marketing team, all working together for a common cause, which is for you guys, we are there to help you get a job. So our sixth pillar is unique in a way because we are holding your hand all the way throughout the journey of your securing employment and post project also to give you that much needed project help. We help you prepare working in corporate America to ensure you make a six-figure salary. And today's session, I see good number of you have joined. As I said, this is our first introductory class, which will give you a good overview on Salesforce administration and its importance. It's like a movie trailer. You get enough about what to expect in that 2 or 3 hour long movie. Once our presentation is done, we will also show you the FAQs and we'll also have a question and answer session with the trainer. So please feel free to ask question you may have. And we will try our level best to clear your doubts. Needless to say, for those who could not join today's session for some reason or the other, a copy of this presentation will be posted on our LinkedIn page, on our Facebook page, on our YouTube page, and also in our WhatsApp groups. So if you're looking for a recorded copy, first of all, please make sure you subscribe us at least on YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. While doing so, you get all future communication happening from us, which will go to you. So remember to subscribe us because some of these sessions will be posted there and you will have an access to watch them. After this session, in case you have any inquiry, you can always send an email to training@guruschools.com. Typically, post-introductory session, in 2 weeks, we start the batch. I think we already have 4 or 5 people already enrolled, so we should start the batch maybe another week or 10 days. Okay. Today's our subject matter expert is Devendra Bhardwaj. Devendra, he has done several training sessions with us. He has extensive background hailing in from customer service, marketing, sales, from the functionalities, and from there, now he's a Salesforce admin/developer. Today's session he is morely engaged and mainly talking about Salesforce administration and discussing various scenarios, opportunities, scope, compensation, how many jobs are there in corporate America, and why you should be taking the Salesforce administration as your career. Okay, so without doing any further ado, let me welcome Devendra. Devendra, all yours. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dev sir. Hello all, myself Devendra Bhardwaj, carrying 10 plus years of experience in IT and 6 years of experience working with US, UK, Australian client in Salesforce ecosystem. Okay, let me over to the slides. Okay, so today I am here to talk and discuss about and give you a brief backdrop of what is the exact market of Salesforce in terms of career one can choose. So let's talk about Salesforce job market first, and then we'll jump on our topics which we will be covering in our 6 to 8 weeks of program, like in terms of application building and theoretical knowledge. So let's talk about Salesforce. So you can see on the screen Salesforce. So Salesforce is an American cloud-based software company headquartered in San Francisco, California. So it was founded by Mark Benioff. It provides customer relationship management. You can see the customer is engaging like it's a CRM service, and also sells a complementary suite of enterprise applications focused on customer service, business automation, analytics, and application development. So, being a proficient in Salesforce admin skills, there are many doors open for you. So, okay, let me change the slide. Okay, so Salesforce admin. So, as you see on the screen, the interaction between the customer and the Salesforce system admin. So, you can see the Salesforce admin, customer, phone, email, chat, ticketing, tracking system. So, this is the life cycle of how the Salesforce admin works. So, Salesforce admin, system admin delivering the best solution to the customer by helping and engaging on phone, email, chat support. So when some customers opt for Salesforce CRM, Salesforce admin is the one who helps in support managing the entire organization like login access and all, creating the user login ID passwords and all, and creating the field level security and working on the security model based on the client requirements. So here on the screen you can see the customer engaging with the Salesforce admin and Salesforce admin via the help of the ticketing tool. Like for example, ticketing tool, we can say that ServiceNow ticketing tool, Jira, Remedy. So it depends upon like what ticketing tool customer and client is using. So based on that, Salesforce admin will like work upon as per the requirement. So here, okay. So now we'll talk about job market career path. So what is the career path in Salesforce? So here you can see the career path in terms of learning Salesforce as excellent skills. Like so Salesforce admin. So it is just a baby step or the beginning for the people who desire to learn this skill. Like first you need to go from basics, right? Then later on you can upskill yourself to Salesforce developer, Salesforce consultant, and architect, and so on. So you can see the roadmap. But first, when you start the Salesforce as a career, you need to first be very clear on the fundamentals. Like you need to first learn the Salesforce admin basics. Then you can sorry, upgrade yourselves to Salesforce consultant, developer, solution architect, senior solution architect. So based on the experience you will grow in the field of Salesforce. Yeah, so like for example Salesforce admin, yeah, as your first skill. So to achieve more and more success in Salesforce ecosystem, you need to learn first Salesforce admin, then you can opt for Salesforce consultant, developer, Salesforce solution architect. So these are the roadmaps and career path you will be coming across in terms of Salesforce ecosystem. Okay. Okay, the slides are not moving. Let me move the slide.
Can you restart the slide presentation, Devendra? I'll edit this section and we'll do it. Yeah, just restart the slide again.
Okay.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
Sorry for the interruption. Internet issue was there. So we were talking about the career paths. So after that, let me take you through some of the famous job sites. Like here you can see that I have extracted some of the very popular job sites where we can see so many opportunities in Salesforce, like Dice, Career Builder, Indeed. So you can see on Dice, Career Builder, Indeed, this data keeps changing like on day-to-day basis based on the requirement. So I would suggest each and everyone to just visit these popular sites and have a look in your spare time. So you will be having more clarity. So how this demanding Salesforce is. Like you can see on the Dice, you can see the Career Builder. So just you need to go to Career Builder, Dice, Indeed, and you can see so many of opportunities coming in the field of Salesforce. So Salesforce is a good skill. So the best part of Salesforce I love about it is that it does not require any programming language, as Dev sir already mentioned that. So you may be like from any background, made like from the finance background or non-IT background or customer service, sales, marketing. So you can learn Salesforce admin skills easily. So now Salesforce average salary. Now most this is the more interesting slide I am going to show you. Of course, the salary compensation in the field of Salesforce admin working as a in corporate America. So here we are interested in the data of United States. You can see what Salesforce admin earns in corporate America. It is highlighted in yellow. So you can compare with other countries too. So just for clarification, I have extracted this data country wise, but here we are only interested in corporate America. Again, this figure can increase or decrease based on your location. Like for example, some of the clients are based in New Jersey, New York, Chicago, Texas, Virginia. So depends upon like what is the location and what is the payout they are offering the candidates. So now there will be a big question mark for you all, that where we will be getting job after learning this demanding skill in terms of client domain industries who are using Salesforce. So let me show you some of them and let's explore some. So some of the industries using Salesforce client domain are, like you can see in the screen. You can see almost every sector is covered and engaged who is using Salesforce, like manufacturing, industries, automotive, pharmaceuticals, real estate, banking, insurance, sports, finance, non-profit organization, telecommunication, health, wellness and fitness. So you can see all the sectors are covered. So you will be not be feeling that I am from manufacturing background and I am I need some of the help in manufacturing background. I am from the pharmaceutical background and I am from the telecommunication background. So these all companies consume Salesforce. So there is no need to worry about if you are learning a Salesforce admin skill. So most of the companies, every 500 Fortune companies are using Salesforce. So you can see some of the famous companies using Salesforce, like you can see 3M Healthcare. So it will cover your healthcare domain, and Blue Scope Steel, it will cover your manufacturing steel, like manufacturing industry. So coming to Blue Scope Steel. So you can see Alliance, it will cover your insurance domain. You can see Society Journal, it will cover your banking domain. So don't worry about industry and domain. Now almost every Fortune 500 companies uses Salesforce as a CRM. So that is the reason it is very high in demand and job opportunities are more and more. So let's talk about Salesforce and what topics we will be covering in next 6 to 8 weeks. Now I will be giving you a short overview, not deep diving much in terms of technical talking. Yes, when you enroll for this popular training track, we all will be having 6 weeks of discussion briefly on each and every terms and scenarios. So here I will talk about Salesforce. So and what is Salesforce? Like you can see on the screen, it's a customer relationship management and it's a cloud computing platform which provided service as a Salesforce as a service and platform as a service. So this SaaS and PaaS. So Salesforce is already a Salesforce as a service. Like it is acting as a software as a service. So you can say the Salesforce as a service, software as a service. So Salesforce is actually acting as a software as a service. And on top of that, Salesforce is providing platform to work upon, like Force.com. So it is acting as a platform as a service. So these all two functionalities we will be discussing, deep diving into it when we will be covering our course in the next 6 weeks. And you can see here the login page of Salesforce. So when you will be enrolling for the class, so I will be helping you to create a developer or like it is free of cost, so it has some limitation, lifetime free environment to work upon, like to practice in Salesforce organization and to practice on the Trailhead. So we will be talking about that. So today just we are giving an overview what is Salesforce and how it is working functionality wise, and also we will be covering all the main topics what and in the next 6 or 8 weeks we will be covering in like in detail. So here you can see Salesforce, it is basically divided into 2 aspects, like in Salesforce Classic, and Salesforce Lightning. So this is the classic UI. So you have two UIs in Salesforce, classic UI as well as the Lightning UI. So this is classic UI was earlier there, but some of the functionalities was not available to work upon classic, so they introduced Lightning. So you can see this is the Lightning page. So when you enroll for the class and when you are get going, so I will explain you the difference between the classic as well as the Lightning. So here we are just discussing and so seeing the overview. So you can see here the benefits of cloud computing and Salesforce. So cost saving and cheaper. So cost saving, like every company want to save money, right? So that is the reason they are opting for Salesforce, because it is cheaper, scalable, collaboration, hassle free to use. Like cost saving is the biggest benefit, right, in the field of cloud computing. It helps you to save capital cost, and it does not need any physical hardware investment. So that is the reason everything is in cloud, and every Fortune 500 companies is using it. So talking about the collaboration, like the cloud computing platform helps employees who are located in different geographies to collaborate in a highly convenient and secure manner. So we don't have to worry about the security and all. Salesforce takes care about all of that. So as a system admin, we will be also working on the security model, where we will be like handling all the users and all the client or with so many of security features and implementing them as a system admin. So you can see the product and services offered by Salesforce: health cloud, sales, marketing, service, analytics, community, app, commerce, IoT. So these all are the offerings by the Salesforce. So they offer Sales Cloud. On top of that, after the sales deal is done, then they offer the Marketing Cloud, and there are some defects in services in the product, and they also provide the Service Cloud, wherein you can raise a case about your particular products, and you can escalate the case also to the particular company by taking the help of Salesforce and Salesforce admin. You can see the analytics community. You can reach to various communities via Salesforce. We have so many of applications inbuilt with Salesforce: commerce, IoT, health. So these all are the domains basically which is Salesforce is emerging as a technology. So you can, and also we will be discussing about the MVC. So this is MVC controller, model V controller. So it's a pattern, right? Basically used in all the languages like Java, Salesforce, and all .NET. So this is a model. And in talking in Salesforce terminology, I will talk to you like I will take the example of model. So model is nothing but your database objects in Salesforce. Like for example, I will be taking you to the standard objects like leads, contacts, accounts, opportunities, etc. But it is also it can also include the custom objects that we will be creating. So it will be your model. So and what you are seeing and representing, it is your view. So we will be talking about this model, view controller, business logic, browser, mobile page layout, view of pages, SFDC objects and related elements. So let's not deep dive into it. So we will be discussing all these things in the class. Okay. So the most interesting topic in Salesforce you will be learning security model. So security model, like you will be accessing and holding some of the client and some of the users to access to make them, like for example, there is a client requirement and client wants some users not to see the objects record org level security. So as a system admin, you can implement that object level security, record level security, application level, org level, profiles, permission sets, OWD, roles hierarchy, criteria based on manual sharing. Like for example, there are so many of ways to create security in Salesforce. Like we will be talking, and we have a proper presentation slide for the security model. We will be discussing in the class. And we have also top of that, we have also mind map of data handling and processing. So in data handling, we will be coming up like you all will be coming across the data loader, data import wizard, data export, third party tools, mass transfer. So these all things we will be learning, like delete, hard delete, export, insert, update, upsert. So these all are the functionality coming under the data loader. Also the data import wizard. So we will be seeing the difference. What is the difference between the data loader and what is the difference between the import wizard? So the common difference I will tell you that, for example, there is a client requirement, right? So there is 10,000 records. So by the help of import wizard I can do. But if there is a requirement of 100,000 records, so and I need to upload it in the database of accounts, contacts and all. So how I can do that? So it is a very hectic task for the system admin or the user to do in a manual way. So we have data loader. So 5 million records at a time we can upload through data loader. So we have a different class scenario and class for this data loader and security model. So we will be discussing in the class all the aspects of data model, like export, insert, update, upsert. So all these things we will be discussing in the class. And after that we will be discussing about the reports and dashboards. So coming to reports and dashboards, so these two things are the heart of any organization. Like for example, there is a client requirement and a client meeting wherein client wants us to show the reports and dashboards of the closing year, opening year and all. And for example, there is a client requirement where managers want to see the users and their reportees, what they are doing. So as a system admin we can pull the reports, we can make them dashboards, components and all. So we can do it as a system admin. So these reports and dashboards we have we will be covering in deep dive when we will be starting our classes. And coming to the best part of Salesforce automation. Now this is the beauty of Salesforce, a non-programmable, coming from the non-programming background, people can automate in Salesforce. Like for example, in RPA, there is a process automation in RPA, robotics process automation. So here in Salesforce, we have the Salesforce automation, wherein we will be covering the automation in two parts, like Salesforce workflows and process builders. So you can see Salesforce workflow and automation tool, like evaluation criteria, rule criteria, actions, time triggers, actions, task, email alerts, field updates, output messages. So these all are the functionalities we can achieve through Salesforce workflow automation. You will be amazed while doing this Salesforce automation, without knowing any single line of code or without writing any single line of code, you can just automate your business as per the client requirement. So I will introduce you to the Lightning Process Builder. So this is the advanced version of workflow. So again, some of the functionalities which was not working in workflows, so Salesforce has upgraded themselves and introduced Lightning Process Builders. So in Process Builders, you can see so many of actions we can perform, like Apex. We can create a record, we can create email alerts, flows, post to chatters, quick actions, submit for approval, update records. So these all types of actions we can perform in Process Builder as a automation. So you can see the start, trip request. So here trip request is the object and new trip. So these all are the actions, immediate actions and all. So you don't need to worry about to write a code. So just you need to define the criteria. You need to be smart enough. Which objects you need to take, on which objects you need to work, which criteria, evaluation criteria, immediate action you need to work. So these all are the actions we will be working. And also I have some of the blogs, videos. Apart from teaching from my side, I will be providing you some of the blogs, very good blogs of the authors, popular authors. Then you can visit there and you can learn business automation. So you can see the workflow versus process builder. So some of the functionalities which was not working in workflows, so Salesforce introduced process builders. So these all are the things we can achieve through process builders. So again, like I talked about the data loaders, right? So data loader. So we will be having a separate session on data loader, where we will be seeing insert, update, upsert, delete, hard delete, export all. So these all are the functionalities. So we will be making you to create, download the data loader, and we will be helping you to configure data loader. And on top of that, I will teach you how to insert, update, upsert, delete. So all the functionalities of the data loader. So in your day-to-day activities as Salesforce admin, when you are looking for a job, so this data loader will add you a boost to your CV. You can tell the interviewer or a client that yes, I have worked on the data loader, and I can upload the records, and I have like worked in insert, update, upsert, delete. So all the functionality you can mention, and the what we will be covering in the class, the same functionality you can implement while working for the client. So here we are pretty much good enough for the topics which we will be covering. And also on top of that, any additional topics if you want to learn in Salesforce, like while learning in the class, you can discuss in the forum. And also you can like ping me in the WhatsApp while having in the class. Also you can drop an email, we can discuss in the class. So this all are this is the introductory session wherein I have covered like all the important topics in Salesforce. But apart from that, also we will be seeing all the aspects in Salesforce admin. And if you come across any blogs or any videos that you are not understanding seeing, so you can just ping me, and you can call me, or we can also discuss in the class that you are not understanding this aspect. So as a trainer, I can give you a good backdrop of that, and we can discuss on that. So here we can see that why Salesforce. So many reasons to use Salesforce. So you can see sales, service, marketing, commerce, apps, analytics, employee experience, integration, trailblazer, rescaling industries, partners, success. So these all are the areas where Salesforce serve. So you can see the vision and execution, strategic acquisition. Day by day, Salesforce is doing the acquisition. Like they have done a recent acquisition of Slack, as you know. That you can see the third point, current trends and sustained growth, highly diversified offerings. So Salesforce has so many of offerings, like non-profit organization, they are offering 10 licenses for free for temples, NGOs and all. So they are giving to the society as well, right? So and also they are good in terms of customer service when you are raising a case to Salesforce while working in the organization. So they will be quick enough to help you. So these all are the benefits and reasons to use Salesforce. So now, who can learn Salesforce? Now there is a question, right? So students with any background can easily learn Salesforce. Like for example, I will give you marketing, pharma, banking, and many more. So the reason behind this is it does not require any programming language. Now, so after finishing the course, so if you are planning to have certification, so you can start with Salesforce certified administrator. So I will guide you through the process of administrator, and also I will provide you and guide you through the what are the scenarios and questions will be coming. So we will be practicing in the Trailhead. So once you practice in the Trailhead, then it will give you a good backdrop of what Salesforce admin certification requirement is, right? So the roadmap is like, first you will be doing the Salesforce certification of admin, then you can opt to advanced admin, then platform app builder. So the life goes on, right? So for example, first of all you will be learning Salesforce admin, then after that having the experience of admin, then you can jump into advanced admin, then as a developer. So step by step you need to grow in terms of Salesforce admin. So here you can see our 6 weeks of plan. Like first of all, I will introduce you to Salesforce introduction, organizational setup, global user interface, user setup, data modeling, Salesforce security and access. So this is all this all flyer we have created just to give you a backdrop what we will be covering in from week 1 to week 6. Ideally it is 6 to 8 weeks. Like sometimes the internet goes not well, and some of the problems of the internet power outage, and also we can stretch it to 8 weeks. So This is all about the Salesforce admin we have. So this 6 weeks course includes all overall fundamentals, basics, and advanced learning of Salesforce admin. Like we will be developing application without writing a single line of code. That is the beauty of Salesforce. So you will be engaging into building the validation rule, assignment rule. So these all are the logics. Just you need to apply simple logic and you will be get going. So this is all I have from my side from the Salesforce admin perspective. Yes. So over to you, Dev sir. So I am done from my side. So you can uh, uh, take it from here and you can explain the FAQs.
Yes. Let me see if I can log out. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah,
Yes,
we can
we
hear you clearly.
So we have some of the frequently asked questions. In the interest of time, I've simply tabulated them. What you see on the screen is what mostly question been asked by the students. Can someone read this question for me, please? Any one of the students or any one of the participants? Anyone who's interested in learning?
Yeah, I can read that. So the first question is when is this training starting?
Okay, so when does the training start, right? So basically, this is our very popular track. So we do at least 5 to 6 tracks in a year. Devendra and his training team, we have a 4-member trainers covering application like an administration as well as development. Administration we do 5 to 6. Development we do at least 2. Okay, so after this introductory overview session is done, in a week or 2 weeks time, we start the session. All sessions are recorded, and people can begin the enrollment. So I would say in a week or 10 days time, we'll announce the date also. And those who enroll, they will be ported to a secured WhatsApp group, as well as they will be given access to all our repository of the videos, documentation, and the whole. Second question.
So along with the training, will you also guide and help towards actual certification?
The answer is yes, right? Whatever it
Sorry, we lost your voice.
whether it is helping you get a job, whether to give you documentation, anything and everything. So yes.
So third question is, will you also help us towards market our resume and get a job?
Well, I lose money in training. Reason being, it's a free training, right? Whereas I have to pay the trainers. So basically, if you guys don't get a job, I continue to lose money. For every step of the action, say we have a fleet of HR people, talent acquisition people, marketing people, paralegal people, immigration people, support people, needless to say the trainers, over 48 trainers we have for different skills. I need to run their payroll, right? As I said, Jana Seva is Ishwar Seva. We want to help people. This training, you can ask Amulya and few other people. If you were to ask them, they will tell you how expensive this training can be if you were to seek training from here. Mere training. That will range anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000 only a 2 weeks or a 4 weeks training. Needless to say, it's done by people like you and me from here. And we will be charging in dollars, right? Because if that's what I'm doing from the USA. So these are very expensive, 10 times, 8 times more money than what generally from India people will be charging. If you were to pay someone from India, they will throw some videos and they run away. Your best bet is to work with a full service company like us, which has an integrated workflow. Okay, we are into training, we are into consulting, and we are into project support, outsourcing as well as SOWs. So because we do it all, you are teething into the real-time project, right? And we are more engaged towards helping you get a job. Believe me, I'm more interested in you to help you get a job as a Salesforce admin, because if you don't get a job, I spend thousands of dollars on you, on every single candidate we speak. So as a wise businessman, we are engaged more on placement and support, because any Tom, Dick and Harry can train you. Okay, so which you will get trained also. What is key thing is real-time hands-on project. What is the key thing is having that kind of an ecosystem where the vendors and clients go easy on you. They are hiring you not because of you, they are hiring you because of Guru Schools, because of the ecosystem which we offer, because we are their partner in that entire ecosystem. Okay, whether it's an Infosys, Wipro, TCS, I mean, I can keep going on HCL, Tech Mahindra, L&T, Infotech, or Manpower, Kelly, Robert Half, many others. They're in the business to make money. The rates are falling. Lateral people placement is becoming difficult because 10, 20, 30, 40% rates. So what client used to pay $100, $120, they are paying $80 to $90. And people like us are used to getting $80 and $100. Now they're getting 80 and 100. Where will they give me 80 and 100? Now we're going in circle. And it's a lost opportunity, right? When you lose on time. All the consulting outsourcing companies used to place candidate like yesterday. So where would you go? So you become the life savior. Now all these projects are not solo projects, they're global projects, global rollout. So they need a person with an average acumen who can be part of that entire ecosystem. And whenever you run into any challenges, you have the 6-pillar offering of Guru Schools help you sustain on that project. So the clients are hiring you because of that ecosystem. So it's like a red carpet walk-in without, you get a buy. So you don't have to go for a bout. You simply get a buy, a red carpet walk-in, and just walk in and bulldoze it and start making money. Next question.
Will you also help us toward giving project support?
Well, if you don't give you project support, most of you guys will not sustain on a project. Okay? The reason it's written on your face, you don't know nothing. In 6 weeks to expect what Devendra knows for 12 years, 14 years, you will learn in 6 weeks. You're kidding yourself, right? So, just think of it your early days of your cooking or riding a bicycle or car driving. You make so many numerous mistakes. Like learning a car, right? All of you, right? You always need an instructor, and with the help of the instructor, with the help of his additional brakes and gas pedal, you are able to learn, and then slowly, steadily, you start learning on your own. Without an instructor, you become a suicide bomber, waiting to wreck into someone. Yes? So we become that trainer. So the initial 2, 3, 4, 5 months, we are there shadowing you. And that 4, 6 months is enough for you to know 80% of these scenarios you'll already go through. And all we ask for is a common sense, intelligence to use it, presence of mind. And you're always in the part of team. You're always in the part of that cocoon. And that cocoon is pro candidates, and they will never let you drop through the crack. Everybody is helping everybody. You have a team of now already 4 enrollment, will get another 3, 4. So between 6 or 7 people, everybody is learning. Somebody will be smarter than you, some will be like you, some will be below you. If you get a job, other 6 people help you. If somebody else
get a job, you will try to help somebody. If you get an interview, they will help you. If they get an interview, you'll help them. Because while doing so, right, part of learning, we all are learning. Needless to say, there are 4 members, Salesforce trainer team, application as well as administration development, and they are there like as a parent to monitor, to engage, and to ensure you do it right. A lot of time, the 6 week is one thing, but a lot of time goes in resume preparation, interview preparation every week. So yes, given that project support. Next question, please.
How many trainers you have giving the training, verification and project support?
Yeah, so we have 4 trainers. Not necessarily all 4 needs to be in a part of the training. So, as I said, good days, bad days, internet, electricity issues, challenges. I have a trainer right now in Uttarakhand where the floods are happening. So depending upon if one node goes down, the second node pops up, right? So we have trainers. At least 2 trainers we like to engage. One trainer will be primary doing the training, and the other trainer comes in for giving the additional support, and then interview preparation and everything. But in that group, you'll always have those 3-4 trainers with you. You ask a question, whether between Devendra, Sheetal, Shubham, Aarti, someone is always there to answer it to you. Next question.
Yeah, so next question is, are these going to be a virtual session, and are this session will be recorded?
Yes, so it's like today's session, right? It's a Zoom session, it's a recorded session. We'll massage it, edit it, and then, it will be uploaded in YouTube, right? Today's session will be public. So awareness made for all, this is what we are doing. People who will enroll, they will have all the subsequent sessions. So the 6 weeks of sessions which we'll be doing subsequently, the access of those links, that secured link, will be only shared to the candidates who have enrolled in this training track, as well as is also been made available for the previous candidate who have taken track. Like say for example, in today's class I see Amulya have joined. Amulya, she's just finished her training from the previous batch. She's just working on her resume, preparing for the vendor interview, client interview, and she's still looking for a job. So if she has time, she will always attend these training tracks as a repeat session. And we always encourage people. And on the side, she's also referring to her training tracks, the previous class training tracks, the next class. Because every batch you'll have some iterative change, right? Progress. Even the presentation have some tweaks, some improvements. So with every training module, we do that Kaizen, small improvements, right? If we improve 1% every day in a year, we do 365% improvement. So like that, each of our training session is a better version of what it used to be previously. So some of the candidates who have taken training recently will again join. Some of our students working, if they have free time, even they will join. Because evening, right? 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, what are you doing? So rather than wasting time doing something else, you would rather engage and be part of that learning. So yes. And this is all recorded in case you missed bad day, some other health emergency, family emergency, work emergency. You missed the session out, the link is ported, archived, given to you in that group shared. You always plug and play. It's like a movie recording. You can watch it, and the trainer is there in the group. All the trainers have a question, ask them. Or say I'm available this Saturday or Sunday. I want to have a repeat class, or I want to have a revision. I want to have a Q&A. And between the 4 trainers, the trainers will come. They'll talk to you. Next question.
Will there be additional practice section and preparation session for the certification?
Yes, I just self-answered that. So yes, weekends are primarily practice sessions, revision sessions, certification preparation sessions. So they will give you all the reference material, everything. And the trainer are there with you for preparing for the test. If you want to get certification, we will get you certified. It's not rocket science. Most of my people that are training, have done their certification with the help of the trainer. So yes.
Yeah, I think so. Okay. And next question, I think so you answered that. Like, will you also help towards preparing for the interview and find a job? I think so you already answered that. But if you want to.
Yes, well, yeah, unless you make money, I don't make money. It's simple answer is, unless you make money, I don't make money. So it's in my interest, and I'm more proactive, I'm more aggressive towards placing you than many of you are. Because if you don't get a job, I bleed. So as a wise businessman, I do not want to bleed. Yes? Next
Okay,
question.
so next question, does it require any programming experience as a mandatory requirement
Devendra answered that even.
during the session? Yeah.
All we need is, bring the common sense. But often the common sense is not common, right? So it's a free session. It's going to help you 100,000. All Fortune 5,000 companies are using Salesforce. Is a huge company. The stock price have doubled in the last 4 months. They've made all right acquisitions by buying Tableau, right, and some other product companies. So if you just track, it's a right company in technology sphere, which is literally going in leaps and bounds. So you simply adhere to that skills and that technology. So yes. Next question, please.
Okay. Yeah. So I think so most interesting question, I think so everyone want to know in this situation, can we get a remote working job?
All jobs are remote right now. Okay, with a fine print. Post-pandemic, you may have to come on site. Right, but corporate America knows it. Last 1 year, most of us have worked remotely. Look, all my trainers are remote. Okay, and every year we train hundreds of students like you, and you get a job. So the proof is in the pudding. Yes, it can be done. Okay, it's the old mindset of the management that you want everything on site. Now the beauty is the rates are falling, so the legacy experienced employees has to suffer. Now that's a huge advantage for people who are at the entry level or who are looking to make a career. Okay, because those who are making 200, $250,000, 180,000, those jobs are long gone. Why? Because you're doing remote. But yes, if you're looking for 100,000, 120,000, 140,000, definitely you're in. $70, $60, $80. Yes. So huge opportunity. You basically can apply to any job across the USA. Because it's a remote. Post-pandemic, we'll talk about it. Because people, right, human. You know your manager likes you, you can able to get the job done. Right? They'll let you work remote. Many of my consultants, the managers don't even come to office because it's a risk. People can get sued, corporates can get sued in light of pandemic. So nobody wants to risk it. Work remote. Get the job done. It's a US lifestyle, if you perform, you're in. If you don't perform, you're perished. It's a revolving door. Winners stay. And you will always play to win with the help of Guru Schools, ecosystems, our 6 pillars. So you basically play to win. You're like the king or the queen of Midas touch. Whatever you touch turns into gold. So all jobs are remote. You can apply for any jobs. They will say initially remote, later on. What is that later on? Nobody knows because, it's pandemic, so there's a risk. And I say in the next few quarters, everything will be as remote as is now. Next question.
So next question is, there are many other training institutes charging a lot of money. Why this is free?
Well, that should not be the question, but people do ask. I don't know why. Because every single time people ask, why are you charging it free? I'm like, well, do you want to pay? I'll not say no. It's our art of giving. As I said, Jana Seva is Ishwar Seva. You want to help people. To be honest with you, this helps me a lot in getting referrals. I get business from my own employees, ex-employees. When you help people in their difficult times, you basically have that friendship and a relationship for life. In good times, everybody comes, engages with you. In difficult times, you really know who stands with you. So many of my students, especially the opposite gender, we have a very focused effort on women empowerment. A woman goes through so many cyclicalities and often her career is sacrificed. Marriage, motherhood, family responsibility. Which is sad. And everyone feels sad. But what that lady wants is actually help. Help me get a job. Shedding tears and feeling sad with her doesn't help her. Be a problem solver, not a whiner and not a part of that sadness. So I exist because of a woman. Somebody sacrificed her career towards raising me. So I must walk that extra mile. And we strongly believe that when a woman is happy, the family is happy. That's our strong belief is. So we will do anything and everything to ensure we provide that conducive platform, that proper cocoon. Right? And often people don't have money. 3,000, 4,000, 6,000, crazy. People, will rip you. And that too, mere training. For resume preparation, 700, 750, 500. Interview preparation, 3,000, 4,000, 2,000. Monthly project support, again, 1,800 per month. 6 months, you'll spend $5,000, $6,000 on support. So if you add up, that's like $10,000, $8,000 you'll be spending, or $6,000 you'll be spending, depending upon whom you're talking to and what agency you're getting trained with. And that is so depressing. Like before going to the war, you just get defeated. Right? You just opt out. You just think that it's not possible. And whereas in Guru schools, we teach you that the word impossible can be written as I am possible. That's the difference between us vis-a-vis to the other companies. They are there to rob you. We are not here to rob you. Very simple. We are here to help people. And believe me, by helping them, so many of my clients, most of my clients came because of people like you. Most of my referrals came because of you. Now, whom I'm talking to, I think I'm talking to Prabhakar Singh, right?
That's correct.
Yeah. Even you are a referral, right? Devendra Singh is a dear friend of mine. I have done something good to Devendra Singh. That's why he referred you to me, isn't it?
That's correct. Yeah.
So most of our business, whether it's for training, whether it's for placement, whether it's for support, whether it's for getting the client MSS, everything is all part of karma. You do good to people, good things will happen to you. And that's what the journey we're embarking on. Because 21 years of entrepreneurship, living and working and built and sold a couple of companies. You can't eat money for food. I'm sorry. Right? But the smile, the happiness when you see on people's face, when you help them get a job, that's something which is priceless. There is no, I cannot define that, when I see, especially ladies, right? And many of their spouses are directors and vice presidents and architects and God knows EDs and all. And the spouses are unemployed for 5, 10, 15, 20, 26 years. After 26 years, the lady is making $38, $35, $42. Can you imagine that? 26 years, you have not even, you just know how to use computer. That's it. Right? So, depending upon the candidate enrollment and depending upon their background, the tracks are given. Salesforce administration is one of the most easiest things to learn. The only few things you need is English communication, which most of us speak good English, being social, not hesitant in asking and talking to people, because Salesforce admin is by default is a business analyst. So he or she will be talking to the management, users, understanding what they need and giving them what they need. Right? So if you are social, if you're not hesitant in asking questions, and if you think you have a good common sense and speak good English, written and spoken, you will make 100,000 and more. So yeah, I mean, again, we will be making money. Okay, once I place you in a job, we have several projects. We have hundreds of employees per day. So it's our way of investing in people. It's our way of helping people, and that's why we do it free, sir. Okay, I think there's one more question.
That is the
Yeah. So again, how it is free? I explained that before also. So when you start a course, you start with a $500 deposit. That deposit is refunded to you once you work for us for at least 3 months, because that's how I recover my cost. So if you have every intent of not cheating me, and if you have every intent of working in corporate America, this is free for you. Other option is, needless to say, spend $4,000-$6,000 from going to one group to another. There is no consistency. There is no seamless integration. Too many breaks you'll be applying to here. It's like a mall culture. From A to Z, everything is full service. These are some of the frequently asked questions, but from some of you, if you have any additional questions, please feed us. We'll make a note of it, we'll answer it, and we will add that FAQ as a extra question. So does anyone of you have any other question?
So I have a question, like what is the percentile of success? Like in your, I know you doing this one a very long time, like I don't know how many years you spend it, but
Go ahead.
Yes. So how many percentiles of success? Like I know you give me some slides, like the I think so. Devin, I think so. One of your co-hosts. Yeah. So he showed me some kind of slides, like that this is the junior level, senior level, and advanced level. There is a salary. So do you have any kind of the link or anything, or it's
just Google it. Just Google it. You will know what it is, because this is public data, right? Whatever we are telling this is all public information. If you want to see what jobs, how many jobs, where are the jobs, where would you go? Dice, Monster, Career Builder, yes? NetTemps, Indeed. You know this job portal, don't you? Right? Salary. Where would you go for salary? Go on LinkedIn, go on Dice, Monster, Career Builder. Look at the jobs. Many of the jobs they will post, right? 100,000, 120,000. Now, if you're a mortgage company, financial company, 100,000 plus bonus. 8 to 15% is the bonus. It's as good as 10,000. So 100 becomes 110. And then their generous package and all. Right? So this is not us. This is public data, public information, and basically, these are ready templates which we are giving. It's not like we are making it. We are basically telling you a screenshot of these reports and giving it to you, whether from Indeed or LinkedIn or Career Builder or Dice or any of those things. You can also go, you verify it. That's okay. Anybody who wants to work will get a job. Those people who have joined because somebody forces you, because your spouse have forced you to attend it, he or she, you don't want to work. If you don't want to work, how can I make you work? If you don't attend sessions, if you don't prepare yourself for the interview, if you don't join our resume preparation sessions, if you don't join our mock sessions, if you don't interacting with the team, then even the God cannot help you, right? I mean, I'm just a small human being trying to make a difference in people's life, but I can walk the horse to the pond. Can I force feed you? No, right? You have to do it by yourself. So these 6 pillars we have been engaged. Even today, I've been engaged with you, right? Now, half of you don't ask questions. What can I do? You're asking questions, right? So crying baby gets the milk. The more proactive you are, the more engaged you are. Like Amulya, she's one of her students, very smart person. She always asks questions. She always attends it. Every single session she attends. She doesn't need to attend this session, but she wants to attend it. What's new out there? Right? So those who are more focused, more proactive, more engaged, they will be the first to get a job. Those who are not, just forced to attend it, and don't want to work, how can I make them work? So needless to say, those who wants to work, they all get a job. They sustain the job also. Those who do not want to work, they don't get a job. Okay. Anything else, guys?
I ask you one more thing, like what is the percentile of success from your institute, like, you know?
Well, most of the people, as I said, if you want a job, you'll get a job. Because you're not a vendor with all these companies. You're not a vendor to the corporate America. You're just an individual. I'm an entity. I'm a vendor. I have the MSA. We have access to the job portal. Like, say, for example, University of Pennsylvania. If I'm the vendor of University of Pennsylvania, I see all the jobs. You see what I'm saying? I'm a vendor. I simply get every single job there for contract or full time as an approved vendor. Or whatever, Pfizer, Merck, Johnson & Johnson, Rutgers University, NGIT, and I'll be able to place you there. So we are more focused on placing you to these huge outsourcing companies. These are 10, 20, 50 billion dollar companies, right? Infosys, Wipro, TCS, Cognizant, HCL, Tech Mahindra, L&T, Infotech, Hexagon, VirtuSat, so many others. As well as the American vendors. American vendors pay a little better, but the Indian outsourcing companies have huge projects. They are like monopoly on. So if you can't win, then you join them. I'm not a billion-dollar company, but they also need me because I'm a minority-owned business. I'm a small business, minority-owned business. I'm headquartered here in USA. All these Indian outsourcing companies are foreign entities. Corporate America wants diversity. Corporate America wants to encourage business to small businesses. So all these big foreign national billion-dollar companies are forced to work with companies like us. So I became the necessary partner in their entire ecosystem. And companies like us are more cherished and been more utilized because of our ecosystem. We are not just throwing a body and that body becomes a suicide bomber. Because the reputation goes for a toss. They have everything to lose. So they believe in us because of our ecosystem, because of the support, because of the trader. Many of them, they keep talking to Devendra, Ravindra, all our 48 trainers, at least 30 some of them, they're in touch with these vendor companies, better understand their requirement, work with them. Some of the pilot which we do, some of the SOWs we do, sometimes we do their POC for some of these things like Salesforce. Salesforce non-for-profit, that's one of our niche area. Okay, we have implemented this, so all religious places, all non-for-profits. Okay, which is not easy, which is tricky, which is very niche. So we go to that level of extent of doing that also. Okay, so those who wants a job will get a job. Okay, those who are lean and mean, proactive, right aggression, you will be placed. Okay, and those are the people ideally I want to engage with and be a part of our ecosystem. Otherwise, if I don't place you, I lose money. I lose on an average $2,000 on you if I don't place you. So it's wise for us as a part of the screening process, enrollment process, candidate counseling session, when we talk to you, like we spoke to you, I think, last Monday you had come in, I think. Yesterday you were here, right, Prabhakar? Candidate counseling session, yeah. So we engaged with you and I've spoken to you also before that over the weekend. So those are the people we want to engage. Because as I said, if I don't place you, I lose money. Okay. Does that answer your question, sir?
Yes, sir. You answered my question.
Anybody else have any other questions? Okay. If no questions, all right. Then that's all I have. I sincerely thank Devendra and other people to have given your time from your busy schedule. It will take me a day because I have an editing team, who will massage it, will put music, all the bells and the whistles. Because as I said, dikhta hai wo bikta hai. People will buy what they see. So we ensure we do it right the first time. It takes me 24 hours, but I would rather wait and ensure I score a 10 on 10. I hit a home run. So thank you for your time and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.